Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my lovely students in 11th grade? Today we are going to continue period 1 in unit 4, part 3, nouns and adjectives. Let's start with the objectives of our lesson today. The students are expected, number 1, to distinguish between the parts of speech. Number 2, to complete the sentences with a suitable word form. Our lesson today is very important. We are going to talk about parts of speech in English. أقسام الكلام باللغة الإنجليزية. Why we need to talk about parts of speech؟ لنتعرف على الجمل مما تتكون ونستطيع أن نكون الجمل بالشكل الصحيح. There are 8 parts of speech in English such as nouns الأسماء, verbs الأفعال, pronouns الضمائر, adverbs الأحوال والظروف, adjectives الصفات, conjunctions الروابط, interjections كلمات التعجب, prepositions حروف الجر. Let's start with noun. الاسم والاختصار للاسم an الذي نجدها بجانب الكلمة في القاموس لنعرف أن هذه الكلمة هي اسم. وقد نجد الاسم عبارة عن person such as Mary, أماني, هبة, animal, cat, thing, شيء such as table, place such as school, park, feeling المشاعر love, idea, hope, belief, religion, ديانة. I want you now to look at this example. Mary has a car. What is the nouns here? Mary is noun. Car also it is a noun. Number 2, verbs الأفعال. The verb is a word that shows an action or a state of being. الفعل هو كلمة توضح لنا حركة أو حالة such as to be, to live, to speak, to play, to walk. Look at this example. I listen to a song, I memorize the song, and then I sing along with it. Here we have 3 verbs. Listen, memorize, and sing. Number 3, pronouns الضمائر. The pronoun replaces the noun to avoid repetition. بنستخدم الضمير ليحل محل الاسم لنتجنب التكرار. We have many pronouns in English. I want to mention some. I, she, he, it, they, you, we, me, mine, himself, etc. I want you to look at this example. I listen to a song, I memorize the song, I sing along with the song. Here we use the noun song 3 times and we call this repetition. بنسمي هاي تكرار. And to avoid this repetition لنمنع التكرار we can use the pronoun. نقدر نستخدم الضمائر. Look at this example. I listen to a song, I memorize it, and I sing along with it. I put the pronoun it instead of the noun song. Number 4, adjectives الصفات. Adjective describes, modifies, or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. الصفة هي تأتي لتصف أو تعرف أو تعطينا معلومات أكثر عن الاسم أو الضمير. We have many adjectives such as cold, fun, two is an adjective, blue, short, small. Look at this example. The little girl has a beautiful dress. What is the adjectives here? Little and beautiful. The first adjectives comes to describe the girl. الصفة الأولى أتت لتوصف البنت والصفة الثانية beautiful أتت لتوصف فستانها as a beautiful كفستان جميل. So we have 2 adjectives and these 2 adjectives come to describe different nouns. Yes, number 5, adverbs الأحوال أو الظروف. The adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective or an adverb. يأتي الحال ليوصف الفعل أو الصفة أو أيضا حال. The adverb answers the questions. هو يجيب عن هذه الأسئلة how often, where and when. To know more, look at this example. Yesterday I finished my homework quickly. Yes, yesterday, this is the answer of when. Quickly, this is the answer of how. Number 6, prepositions حروف الجر. Preposition shows the relationship of noun or pronoun to another word. حرف الجر يوضح لنا العلاقة ما بين الاسم والضمير مع كلمة أخرى. We have a lot of prepositions in English. I want to mention some, such as at, on, in, from, with, about, etc. إلى آخره. Look at this example. I left my keys on the table. Here we have two nouns, keys and the table. What's the relationship between these two nouns? Keys on the table. المفاتيح على الطاولة. ولدينا أيضا استخدامات أخرى لحروف الجر. Number 7. Conjunctions. الروابط. They join two words or two groups of words and show how they are connected. هم يربطوا بين كلمتين أو مجموعتين من الكلمات ويوضح العلاقة بينهما, such as and, or, but, because, so, yet, etc. إلى آخره. Look at this example. I was sleepy and tired but still filmed a video. Here we have two conjunctions. عندنا رابطان and, but. Look at the first conjunction and connected between two adjectives, but here the second conjunction connected between two different ideas that they are contradictory. ربطت بين جملتين متناقضتين. Number 8. Interjections. كلمات التعجب. The interjection, a short exclamation that expresses a strong emotion. هي كلمات صغيرة تعبر عن التعجب أو phrases صغيرة أو عبارات صغيرة تعبر عن المشاعر القوية, such as wow, ouch, oh, watch out. Look at this example. Wow, I finished my housework. Yes. Today in our lesson we are going to focus on verbs, nouns and adjectives. الأفعال والأسماء والصفات. Now let's move to activity 3 on page 39. The words in the table change in the same ways. Complete the table. الكلمات التي في الجدول تتغير في بعض النواحي. أكمل الجدول. Note that there is no adjective from provide. لاحظي أنه لا يوجد صفة من الفعل provide. Look at the table here. We have verb, فعل, noun, اسم, adjective, صفة. And the first one is done for you. Demand, يطالب. Demand, مطلب. Demanding, كثير المطالب. Challenge, يتحدى. Challenge, تحدي. Challenging, عسير أو مثير. Surprise, يفاجئ. Surprise, مفاجأة. Surprising, مفاجئ. Number 4. Conclude, يستنتج. Conclusion, خاتمة. Concluding, ختامي. Number 5. Decide, يقرر. Decision, قرار. Deciding, حاسم. Number 6. Provide, يزود. Provision, توفير. And there's no adjective from the verb provide. Let's examine our understanding of the previous lesson. Use words from the table to complete these sentences. استخدمي كلمات من الجدول لإكمال هذه الجمل. Number 1. This situation is very what? There are a lot of problems we need to solve. Is very challenging. هذا الموقف عسير ومثير. هنالك الكثير من المشاكل تحتاج إلى الحل. This is an adjective. Number 2. I don't want to argue about it. This is my final decision. أنا لا أحتاج أن أجادل حولها. هذا هو قراري النهائي. This is noun. Number 3. I find it what? That he doesn't enjoy working as a guide. I find it surprising. أنا وجدتها مفاجئة. That he doesn't enjoy. أنه لا يستمتع بعمله كمرشد. This is an adjective. Number 4. The what part of the essay summarize the main point. The concluding. الجزء الختامي من المقال يلخص النقاط الأساسية. This is an adjective. Number 5. Young children can be very demanding. They always seem to want something. الأطفال الصغار هم متطلبون للغاية. دائما يبدو أنهم يحتاجون شيئا. This is an adjective. Number 6. This organization has responsibility for the provision of basic food to those who need it. المنظمة مسؤولة عن توفير الطعام الأساسي لمن يحتاجه. This is noun. Number 7. Each team has won twice. So this is the last and deciding match. هذه هي المباراة الحاسمة. كل فريق فاز مرتين وهذه هي المباراة الحاسمة. This is an adjective. Number 8. In this period of hot dry weather, the want for bottled water has increased the demand. في هذه المرحلة من الجو الحار والجاف الطلب على زجاجات المياه قد ازداد. This is noun. Let's test our understanding of the previous lesson. Complete the following sentences with words from the same word family. Number 1. Meeting my teacher in Gaza was a surprise. مقابلة مدرسي في غزة كان مفاجأة. This is noun. Number 2. You need to what you have learned at the end of the lesson. You need to conclude. After to we must use verb. So it's conclude. نحن نحتاج أن نختتم ما تعلمناه في نهاية الدرس. Number 3. I'm ready for the what of the job. I'm ready for the challenge. أنا مستعد للتحدي لهذه الوظيفة. This is noun. Number 4. Huda's what was correct. Huda's decision. قرار هدى كان صائب. This is noun. Number 5. The watt of oil from Egypt is not enough to run our power station. The provision. تزويدنا بالبترول من مصر كان غير كافي لتشغيل محطة الوقود. This is noun. To summarize what we have studied in our lesson today, I want you, my student, to revise what we have studied about parts of speech in our lesson through this mind map about the parts of speech. Please look at it, study it, and draw it in your notebook. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, my beautiful students, and see you later, inshallah. Goodbye.